Question is, find the roots of the quadratic equation by completing the square method. Actually, we have to derive the quadratic formula. To derive the quadratic formula, we use completing the square method to find the roots of this quadratic equation. First of all, we shift this constant here. We can write as ax square plus bx is equal to, second step what we do, divided by a. Divide this complete equation by a. So it will be ax square by a plus bx by a is equal to minus c by a. All the terms we have divided by the coefficient of x square, that is a. Here this a will cancel out. It is x square plus bx by a is equal to minus c by a. Now we arrange these terms according to the formula, the identity a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay, so the two terms of this identity we arrange here. Here a is only x plus 2 we don't have here, so multiply by 2 and divide by the same. X we write same and it will be b by 2a. You see, we multiply and divided by 2. So by the 2 by which we multiplied is here and the 2 by which we divided is here. It is a square plus 2ab. Now we need b by 2a whole square more, because here this is our b. In this identity this is the b. A square plus 2a, this full is b plus b square. Okay, this we don't have here, so what we do, add as well as subtract. B by 2a whole square we will add and subtract is equal to minus c by a. This we write as it is. Now you see, this term we shift here, and these three terms a square plus 2ab plus b square will be a plus b the whole square. A is here x and b is b by 2a. And this term we shift here, it is minus c by a plus b square by 4a square. This minus c by a same, and this term when we shift here it is negative. When we shift it here it will become positive. Now x plus b by 2a the whole square is equal to, here we take LCM 4a square. 4a square we divide by a, we will get only 4a, that we multiply to c, it will be minus 4ac plus this when we divide by this, same only get, we will get it as b square. So this we get x plus b by 2a whole square is equal to b square minus 4ac upon 4a square. What we do now? Take the square root both sides. We write taking square root both sides. This will be x plus b by 2a and here under root b square minus 4ac by under root 4a square, that is only 2a. Okay, and here both sign we apply plus and minus. Why? Because whenever we take a square root of some number, plus and minus both sign we apply. Now this b by 2a we shift here, x we get minus b by 2a plus minus under root b square minus 4ac by 2a. 2a we take LCM, x we get minus b plus minus under root b square minus 4ac upon 2a. What it is, you see, this is the quadratic formula. Okay. Now if we want to find You see, this is our general equation. By completing the square method, we calculated the square root, the roots of this equation like this, and this is only our quadratic formula. Now, if we will have any quadratic equation, we just compare that with this quadratic equation, obtain ABC, and put the values here directly to find the roots.